क्लासेस मैं आज अप्रैल मंथ का करंट अफेयर्स का वीडियो आपके साथ डिस्कस करूँगी। सो इसे ध्यान से देखिएगा और अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया तो ये वीडियो को ज़रूर लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा एंड हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। स्टूडेंट्स, ये लॉकडाउन के टाइम में आप ज़रूर घर पर रहिए और सेफ रहिए और वॉश योर हैंड प्रॉपरली एंड आप इस टाइम में पढ़ाई को कभी डिसकंटिन्यू मत कीजिए, क्योंकि अभी डिसकंटिन्यू करेंगे तो आपको एग्ज़ाम में प्रॉब्लम होगा। और हमारा जो वीडियो आ रहा है हर महीने का करंट अफेयर्स का, ये सब वीडियो को आप देख के रिवाइज कर सकते हैं, पढ़ सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये सब क्वेश्चंस जो है एग्ज़ाम रिलेटेड है, जो कि आपको हेल्प करेगा एग्ज़ाम में। तो आपको मैं ये बोलती हूँ कि आप अपना पढ़ाई को डिसकंटिन्यू मत कीजिए। ओके, तो हम चलते हैं हमारा वीडियो की तरफ, क्वेश्चन की तरफ। हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सिविल एविएशन हैज़ लॉन्च्ड लाइफलाइन उड़ान फ्लाइट्स for movement of medical and essential supplies across India for 6 days. So who is the present civil aviation minister? तो इसका आंसर है फोर्थ हरदीप सिंह पुरी। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज, with which country India has completed 70-year diplomatic relations recently? So the answer is D, China. India and China have marked 70 years of diplomatic relations. Both countries exchanged warm words of greetings and spoke of the partnership between the world's most populous country. India is the most populous country in the world, and India became the first non-communist country in Asia to establish diplomatic ties with China. Okay, next one is, Praveen Yadav resigned from the post of MD and CEO of which company? So इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, पेटीएम मनी. So Praveen Yadav, who is the founder, MD and CEO of पेटीएम मनी, जो कि रिज़ाइन दिए हैं ड्यू टू द इश्यूज रिलेटेड to employee stock options, annual salary and remuneration. Okay, so answer is Paytm money. अगला क्वेश्चन है, नेम द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट्स फर्स्ट कम्प्रहेंसिव कोविड-19 ट्रैकिंग ऐप. ये तो सबको पता होगा मोर अबाउट, तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन 4, आरोग्य सेतु. The Government of India officially launched its first comprehensive COVID-19 tracking app, जिसका नाम है आरोग्य सेतु, which is for Android and iOS users to connect health services with the people to fight the pandemic. अगला क्वेश्चन, the theme for World Autism Awareness Day 2020 is the transition to adulthood. This day is celebrated annually on which date? तो इसका आंसर है 2nd of April, ऑप्शन 4, 2nd of April. So this World Autism Day is observed to raise awareness about autism and problems faced by the people suffering from it. So this day has observed since 2008. This day is one of 7 health-based UN days. Okay, so our answer is 2nd of April. Next one is, name the country which hosts the 3rd edition of Asian Youth Games in 2021. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन 4, चाइना. So the Olympic Council of Asia has discussed that the China will host the third edition of Asian Youth Games in 2021. Next question is, name the company which has launched India's first home screening kit for COVID-19 which was approved by ICMR. So friends, इसका आंसर होगा बायोन. So बेंगलुरु बेस्ड स्टार्ट बायोन, ए जेनेटिक एंड माइक्रोबायोम टेस्टिंग फार्म, जो लॉन्च किया है इंडियाज फर्स्ट होम स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट केस फॉर कोविड-19 एंड जो अप्रूव हुआ है ICMR द्वारा. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वन इज, नेम द इंडियन वोमेन्स क्रिकेटर हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द ब्रांड एम्बेसडर फॉर पेप्सिको. सो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन थर्ड, सेफली वर्मा. सी इज एन इंडियन वोमेन क्रिकेटर and she has been appointed as the brand ambassador for PepsiCo. Ninth one is, name the person who has been appointed as MD and CEO of Bharati AXA Life Insurance Company. तो इसका आंसर होगा पराग राजा. So he has been appointed as MD and CEO of Bharati AXA Life Insurance Company, and this appointment is made by the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDAI. Okay, next one is, International Day of Human Space Flight was observed annually on which date? तो इसका आंसर होगा 12th of April. The International Day of Human Space Flight is observed across the world annually on 12th of April to celebrate the space age for the human. Okay, got it? Next one is, which edition of Siachen Day was observed by Indian Army on 13th of April 2020? On 13th of April 2020, the Indian Army observed the 36th Siachen Day to pay tribute to the brave soldiers who laid down their lives while protecting the frontiers of the country in Ladakh. Okay, so इसका आंसर होगा 36th. Next one is, name the country which has launched multiple short-range anti-ship cruise missiles into sea recently. तो answer is North Korea. As part of military exercise, North Korea has launched multiple short-range anti-ship cruise missiles into the sea. Next one is, the Matterhorn mountain was located in which country? It is in Switzerland, so answer is option 4, Switzerland. Switzerland has expressed solidarity with India in its fight against the coronavirus pandemic by projecting the tricolor on the famous Matterhorn mountain in the Swiss Alps to give hope and strength to all the Indians. जो कि अभी न्यूज़ में वायरल हुआ था, वीडियो वायरल हुआ था कि मैटरहॉर्न माउंटेन में एक ट्राई कलर प्रोजेक्टर द्वारा हमारा फ्लैग को एक्सप्रेस किया गया था. ओके, सो आवर आंसर इज स्विट्जरलैंड. Next one is, name the person who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Bombay High Court. So इसका आंसर होगा सेकंड, दीपंकर दत्ता. So he has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Bombay High Court, and at the same time Biswanath Somadar is appointed as Chief Justice for Meghalaya High Court, and Mohammad Rafiq has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Odisha High Court. फ्रेंड्स, ये जो एक्स्ट्रा मैं आंसर नोट्स बोल रही हूँ, ये आप अपने नोट में डाल सकते हैं, आप इसको नोट कर सकते हैं, जो कि आपको एग्ज़ाम में हेल्प करेगा. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वन इज़, what is the name of military satellite which was launched by Iran recently? Our answer is second, Noor. So Iran launched into orbit जिसका नाम है नूर और लाइट, and this has successfully launched an orbit of 425 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Next one is, the World Malaria Day was observed annually on 25th April. What is the theme for World Malaria Day 2020? So our answer is Zero Malaria Starts With Me. इसका थीम है Zero Malaria Starts With Me. And this Malaria Day is observed to recognize the global efforts made to control malaria and to commemorate the Africa Malaria Day. And it is one of the 8th official global public health campaign recognized by the WHO. Okay. अगला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज नासा's मिशन टू स्टडी giant solar particle storms? इसका आंसर है सेकंड, सनराइज. NASA has launched this mission, and this mission will include 6 CubeSat, which will operate as a large radio telescope. Question number 18 is, the World Bank has offered how much fund for India's COVID-19 response project? So World Bank has offered around $1 billion to India for COVID-19 project. Next one is, which among the following is India's first comprehensive COVID-19 tracking application? इसका आंसर है सेकेंड, बी, आरोग्य सेतु. It is launched by the central government on 2nd of April, and it will help people to get connected for medical services, and will also inform regarding the risk of COVID-19 exposure. So the answer is B, Arogya Setu. Next is, which judge has become the first judge of Jammu and Kashmir High Court to take oath under the Indian Constitution? फ्रेंड, ये भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, जिसका आंसर है जस्टिस रजनीश ओसवाल. He became the first judge of the Jammu and Kashmir High Court. Next is, which country will be hosting the 3rd Asian Youth Games in 2021? So the answer is C, China. So as per the Olympic Council of Asia, he has decided that China will host 3rd Asian Youth Games in 2021. Next is, which country recently honored PM Narendra Modi with its highest decoration, Zayed Medal? So इसका आंसर है A, UAE. United Arab Emirates has been honored PM Narendra Modi its highest decoration, जिसका नाम है Zayed Medal, in recognition of his vital role in strengthening between these two nations. Next one is, which country is going to launch 5G network for first time in the world? Option C, South Korea is the answer. South Korea is going to launch the 5G network for the first time in the world. Next one is, when the International Day of Mine Awareness and Assistance in Mine Actions is observed every year. So answer will be 4th of April is observed as International Day of Mine Awareness. This day is observed to foster the establishment and development of national mine actions capacity in countries. Next is, which nation has topped the latest FIFA rankings of 2019? Answer will be Belgium. Belgium topped the FIFA rankings 2019, and second place is for France and third is for Brazil, and India's place is 101. Okay, next one is, when the World Health Day is observed every year. So answer होगा 7th of April is World Health Day, and this day is celebrated around a specific health theme every year to highlight a priority area of concern for the World Health Organization. अगला क्वेश्चन है, which among the following NASA satellites will issue volcano and earthquake warnings? कौन सा NASA सैटेलाइट इन्फॉर्म करेगा अर्थक्वेक वार्निंग पर? तो इसका आंसर होगा BCIRES, जिसका एब्रीविएशन है क्यूबसैट इमेजिंग रडार फॉर अर्थ साइंस। फिर से बोलती हूँ, क्यूबसैट Imaging Radar for Earth Science. This is the NASA's new satellite which will give early warning signals of volcanic eruption and earthquakes. This will help the concerned administration to prepare ahead of disasters. Next is, who is the top ranked Indian billionaire on the Forbes 2020 list of world's top billionaires? So answer is option second, Mukesh Ambani. Next is, who has topped the Forbes list of world's billionaires in 2020? आंसर इज जेफ बेजोस, जो कि CEO है अमेजन का. He has topped the Forbes list of world's billionaires in 2020. Next one is, which airlines has decided to rehire 16,500 employees laid off due to pandemic? So इसका आंसर होगा एयर कैनेडा. It has said that it will rehire 16,500 employees who were laid off because of the COVID pandemic. Then next one is, when was the International Day of Human Space Flight 2020 observed? Answer is 12th of April. This day is observed to commemorate the beginning of space era for humankind. So answer is International Day of Human Space Flight is April 12th. Question number 32 is, the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, जिसको हम सार्क बोलते हैं, that comprises how many members? So इसका आंसर है 8. सार्क includes 8 members और these are India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, Nepal and Sri Lanka. Okay, so the answer is 8. Question number 33 is, who is the Director General of World Health Organization? The answer is option 1, Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. He is an Ethiopian microbiologist and internationally recognized malaria researcher, and he is serving as Director General of WHO since 2017. Next one is, IMF has predicted how much growth rate for India in 2020. Answer is 1.9%. अगला क्वेश्चन है, हु हैज़ डेवलप्ड कोविड सैंपल कलेक्शन कियोस्क? तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी, DRDO. So DRDO's Defense Research and Development Laboratory has developed this COVID sample collection kiosk, and this kiosk will be useful for healthcare workers while taking the samples of infected COVID-19 patients. Next one is, when is World Hemophilia Day observed? Answer is 17th of April is observed as World Hemophilia Day, and the theme of this day is get involved virtually and stay safe. Okay, next one is, who has been appointed as the ambassador for World Wildlife Fund India? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, विश्वनाथन आनंद, जो कि चेस लीजेंड है एंड 5 टाइम वर्ल्ड चैम्पियन है. So Viswanathan Anand has been appointed as the new ambassador for WWF World Wildlife Fund. He will support wildlife conservations and educate children across the country on issues related to the environment. Next one is, when the World Heritage Day is observed every year, and the answer is 18th of April. So 18th of April is the World Heritage Day, and it is also known as International Day for Monuments and Sites, which was observed across the world with an aim to create awareness among the people to protect the valuable assets and cultural heritage across the world. Next is, Sri Lanka has launched its first satellite. What is it called? इसका आंसर होगा फर्स्ट रावणा 1. So Sri Lanka has launched its first satellite, जिसका नाम है रावण 1, and it's around 1.5 kg, and the lifespan of this satellite is 1.5 years. Next one is, what was India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2019? So the India's rank is 140, and the Press Freedom Index is violence against journalists, including police violence, attacks by Maoist fighters, criminal groups and करप्ट पॉलिटिशियन. तो इसमें इंडिया का रैंक है 140. नेक्स्ट वन इज, हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द न्यू सेक्रेटरी टू प्रेसिडेंट रामनाथ कोविंद? तो इसका आंसर होगा कपिल देव त्रिपाठी, जो कि अपॉइंट हुए हैं न्यू सेक्रेटरी ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट रामनाथ कोविंद, एंड दिस अपॉइंटमेंट was made on contract basis, and which is headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. अगला क्वेश्चन है, when is the National Civil Services Day? So इसका आंसर है 21st of April. So 21st of April is the National Civil Services Day. अगला क्वेश्चन है, which state government has launched Mitra helpline and application to fight COVID-19? So answer होगा इसका कर्नाटका. So Karnataka state government has launched this Mitra application to fight COVID-19 and इसका helpline number है 14410 जो कि हेल्प कर सकता है पब्लिक को. So next question is, which nation has reportedly launched its first ever military satellite into the orbit? इसका आंसर है ईरान. Iran is the nation who has reportedly launched its first ever military satellite into the orbit, and it was succeeded by Iran's Revolutionary Guards. Question number 45 is, when was Earth Day 2020 observed? So the answer is 22nd of April. Okay. Next one is, who has been appointed as the new head of the National Shipping Board? And इसका आंसर है मालिनी शंकर. She has been appointed as the new head of the National Shipping Board, and she was former Director General. Next one is, which state observed the Khangjom Day on 23rd April 2020? And इसका आंसर होगा मणिपुर. So this day is observed to pay tribute to the warriors who fought in the 1891 Anglo-Manipur War, which was an armed conflict between the Kingdom of Manipur and British government. तो इसका आंसर होगा बी मणिपुर. अगला क्वेश्चन है, which country recently became the world's first to launch malaria vaccine? कौन सा कंट्री है जो कि फर्स्ट लॉन्च किया है वैक्सीनेशन फॉर मलेरिया? तो इसका आंसर है मलावी. Malawi is the country who became the first to launch malaria vaccine. Got it? Our next question is, when is the World Immunization Week observed? So the immunization week is last week of April, and this week is observed to increase awareness regarding immunization. And this for this immunization week, the theme is vaccinations for all. Okay, so our last question is 50th question is, when was the World Day for Safety and Health at Work 2020 observed? तो आंसर है 28th of April. So 28th of April was the World Day for Safety and Health to focus on addressing the outbreak of infections, diseases and at work amid the COVID-19 pandemic. So answer is D, 28th April. ओके. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये हमारा था करंट अफेयर्स का वीडियो फॉर द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल. एंड अगर ये वीडियो आप सबको अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा और हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. और आप जितना हमारा जो वीडियो आ रहा है, जितना उसको देखेंगे उतना आपके माइंड में रिवाइज होगा और उतना आपके लिए बेनिफिट भी होगा. ओके. सो फ्रेंड्स, बी सेफ, बी एट होम. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग and we'll meet soon. Thank you.